Westco Beach is full of hopeful student Senate members trying to cash in a few student votes. KUJH reporter Dan Garrett is live on Westco. Dan?
Thanks, Heather. Now, student Senate elections started this morning and will continue through tomorrow. Both coalitions, CareKU and 1KU, are here to grab your vote.
Student body president and vice president, along with senators, began today at 6 a.m. Students will be able to vote online or in person at one of two polling locations. The two locations are at Westco Beach and Mrs. E's Dining Hall. This year, two coalitions, 1KU and CareKU, are battling it out for seats.
CareKU's platforms are mental health, safety and security, equality and inclusion, military veterans, student resources, and parking.
And we're ready to work together and make those tangible changes that people can have, and that every single Jayhawk, before they come, while they're here, and after graduation, are equipped with skills that they need and they're ready to learn.
Now, students have until 4 p.m. tomorrow to vote, and remember, you can either vote here at Westco Beach or online at tv.ku.edu. Live at Westco Beach, I'm Dan Garrett, KUJH News.
Thanks, Dan.